पयलीं आमी जें सांगलेलें ताका की बाबा हो दृश्टी पड आहा, हाऊ मेनी इयर्स आर यू जस्ट रिन्यूईंग द कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट आनी हो एक्सपायर जुनान जालोलो आनी ह्या सरकाराक संवय जाल्या पाळयली कसिनो जे पद्दतीन रिन्यू कोताय पोस्ट फॅक्टो सगळे हे टेंडर वाडयतले आनी आय हॅव शोन देर वर 56 डेथ्स तो 29 म्हणटालो देर वर 56 डेथ्स that happened and places where lifeguards were not there, that is part of their job scope, part of their work scope, still yes sarkar renews their contract. We showed that data showed that home department has said that there were 7 deaths because of drowning. Tourism ministeracho answer aha nil. Reports we showed जे टावर आहे लायफगार्डाचे जे मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट आसपाक जाय देर इज नो मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट ऑल्सो इन प्लेस वेदर ही डीड डिडक्शन्स ऑन और रेज्ड एनी पेनल्टीज ही सेज ही इज गोइंग टू लुक इनटू इट सो बेसिकली इट वाज अ क्लियर कट ऑफ करप्शन इट्स अ क्लियर कट ऑफ अ स्कॅम विथ रिगार्ड्स टू द टुरिझम डिपार्टमेंट तेज नंतर जे जंकीट एंड फॉरेन टूर इफ यू सी इज OSD also travels worldwide. The OSD travels worldwide. On the other side, if you look, spending 60 crores in 4-5 years, and tourist footfalls, especially international charters, the data shows that it is going down. 1920 onwards, everything is going down. The cruise ship, portar rehta, that data shows that is going down. So, this tourism department is only event management, sir. This is mission total commission. This is the sorry state of affairs with the tourism department. During zero hour आम्ही issue raise केला with the signals. Disco जाता है रातीचे दिसाचे. There is no nodal agency that coordinates between transport department, CSR, PWD. Absolutely सारखे अंधाकानो सगळो गोंधळ कोणा हुई तो एकलो मुखेलमंत्री हिंगा 12 मुखेलमंत्री आहे एकलो मंत्री तेगेलो खात्याचो मुखेलमंत्री सो 12 मुखेलमंत्री गोंयांत आहे एकलो आपणाक जाय ते भाशेन कोता ते मुखेलमंत्री कोण एडवायस घेना सगळे जाय ते भाशेन तांकां प्लॅन चेंज कोताय जाय ते भाशेन कांय ना आनी मागीर मुखेलमंत्री ते म्हाका दिसता तेजेर मातशें लक्ष घालपाक 12 मुखेलमंत्री गोंयांत एक टायमार पयले पुसून जाले तेजेर म्हाका दिसता मुखेलमंत्रीन कॉन्सन्ट्रेट करपाक जाय दूसरें with regards to the water scarcity and this issue is something that is long pending. There is no proper budget allocated for this PWD as well. आज water shortage जे जाता हर घर जल म्हणून एक आतां एक हें दिलां हें अवॉर्ड मेळ्ळा ह्या सरकाराक फ्रॉम द डबल इंजीन सरकार फॉर द फेलियर एक्चुअली इफ यू सी तुमकांय खबर आहा हर घर जल आनी म्हणून तें खूंय almost 45-50 crores have been spent for starting this project and म्हाका दिसता project वाडत म्हळ्यार another 50-60 crores will be spent. It's a failure. The chief minister has agreed. He's agreed to work upon it. दूसरें with regards to dog bites, rabies, you see the bites have been huge, almost in thousands as per the reply given. And NGO बाबडे काम करते पण ह्या सरकाराक तांकां सपोर्ट करपाक कसली सुविधा ना विथ रिगार्ड्स टू द बजेट वॉट आय स्पोक आय हॅव क्लियरली डायसेक्टेड this state government's failures. The chief minister doesn't want to answer absolutely nothing. He has failed in all the aspects, especially the FRBM violation, which I had pointed out 2 years back. 2 वर्सां जेन्ना हांवें पॉयंट आउट केल्ले थोडे आमदार म्हणाले हो कितें फिगराचेर उलयता थोडे म्हणूंक लागले जे GSTP फिगर हांवें दाखयल्ले which were released by the RBI and which were released by one of his engine and there was a huge difference. Same continuous. आता तेगेले एडवायजर गेले म्हणून तो सांगता स्टील यू सी देर आर 3-4 फिगर्स पुल्ड आउट द चीफ मिनिस्टर आय बिलीव इज कन्फ्युज्ड with regards to the per capita income 7,80,000 and हे अनाउन्समेंट जो तो होता बेसिकली 7,80,000 प्रत्येक गोंयकारा कडेन आहा काय कितें सबका साथ सबका विकास स्वयंपूर्ण गोंय हे सरकार सगळें स्वयंपूर्ण जाला बाउन्सर ड्रग्स पुलीस रेप मर्डर वाडवत आसा and we have absolutely no expectation because they are doing violations and they are denying फाल्यां कितें आहा म्हाका दिसता we have exposed him regarding the capital outlay also. He had no answers to nothing. Generally, Chief Minister needs to answer on this, but during the next set of demands, in due continuation, we will make sure tomorrow that we will fault hai, we will expose them. The opposition are limited, no doubt, but if you see, it is effective what we are speaking. All are studying and come. All the MLAs be staying there. We are coming there, studying and well prepared, and I am confident that this session, as I had said, was a stormy session. As Mukhar tum soitle that several scams will be anat.
टुरिझम मिनिस्टर म्हणटाल तुमी तुमकां स्कॅम म्हणपाची संवय जाल्या म्हणून तुमी बेश्टे स्कॅम म्हणटात.
टुरिझम मिनिस्टराक स्कॅम म्हणपा तो पण मोठा जेन्ना तो टेंडर वाडयता. टेंडर जेन्ना तो म्हणटा काँग्रेसा टायमाचो वाडलो म्हणतो 2008 तुवें कितें केलें? तूं आहलो तेदो सारको उलयता मरे 14 करोडा स्कॅम हा लोकायुक्ता कंप्लेन गायल्ली बीच क्लिनिंगाचे. तुवें कितें केलें? जालें काबार गिडो काबार जालें 14 करोड काबार गोबोर जालो. आतां तुमी चिंतपाक जाय हेच प्रकरण दृश्टी म्हणटाय तेका. when you know that there are deaths in the absence of a lifeguard, why are you renewing their contract or why are you not terminating them? Why are you fresh tender कितें invite कोनाय तुमी? Yes, post factor दिवपाक approval दिवपाक GMR दिल्लें. आतां GMRाक 6 म्हयन्याचे टॅक्स रेव्हेन्यू हॉलिडे दिल्या. कसिनोक 6 म्हयन्यान कॅबिनेट डिसिजन घेता. अरे हे invite fresh tender. This was one. Number two, I caught him with regards to the equipment. अरे lifeguard को थिंग equipment नो ना. Equipment ना कोण सांगता? tourism department सांगता. तो म्हाका सांगता tourism department तरी गेले. अरे गेले, this is your duty. You are paying them. They are not working free for you. They are not doing any charity. So you better buckle up your shoes and work towards the interest. This is a scam.
So water shortage आणि तितून water theft जाता. ताजेर तुमचें म्हणणें कितें?
हांवें सांगिल्लें ते भाशेन. हांवें तांकां कितें सांगिल्लें? आमगेलो मोंडाच पात्रांव आहा रवी नायक, तो कितें सांगतालो? डॅम बांदय, उदक तितून हें पडत एक्सपोर्ट कराय न्हू, दुबाय बी खूंय एक्सपोर्ट कराय. तेच पद्दतीन डॅम बांदय, रोहन कावंटीक दुबाय धाडय, हें उदक एक्सपोर्ट कराय, जाय तेदो मागीर तुमी इम्पोर्ट कराय. ही पॉलिसी सरकाराली विथ रिगार्ड्स टू कंप्लीट फेलियर.
Today one bill has been passed, but which CM has delayed, Kannada CM, regarding 100% job to the Kannadis in private sector.
See, 100% reservation is something that is required also in Goa. What do we have in Goa today? Say for instance, is in Goa we have not even 80% reservation, we have no reservation. The idea is, I don't want to comment on what Chief Minister of Karnataka.
तुम्ही सांगलेलं ना, तुम्हीच सांगलेलं आहे. ते follow करा.
This is what I read. This one came out on several newspapers. It came on several reports. Okay. So now what we need to do, we need to look at what is in the interest of Goa. So in Goa, Chief Minister needs to implement this policy. Today the labor and employment has no data. At tu sang maka jenna tuka planning and statistics department sangta that you are the second highest, with a rise of 3.2% over the national average, that is 9.7. After we are second and this government doesn't have any policy, how do you wipe out the figures? So labor and employment nidla te statistics kan kana. So to improvise this thing, they are not taking any data. So this itself shows the priorities of this government with regards to the employment of our young born youth.